Hi guys, welcome back to Teaching Machine. So this is going to be a series on Python. So I'm trying to make videos on Python programming language for beginners. So why we need Python? So Python is basically a beginner friendly language. No matter from which branch or which degree you are from, if you are interested in building something with a logic, then this would be the best tool for you. And Python is very flexible. You can easily use the Python language to build anything. And Python is most widely used programming language in these days. Basically, Python is the main tool for data science and machine learning also. And there are great library support available for Python. And community support is awesome. By comparing with other languages, Python community support is very good. Whenever you get any doubt, you can get the solution from communities. Who can learn Python? So if you are interested in coding, you can directly jump into Python and you can learn. So there is no age limit, there is nothing. If you are very interested in building codes and building algorithms, then Python is definitely a good choice for you. How we can do many things with Python. I mentioned a few things here. You can check them. We can build utility tools and automation tools with Python. We can also build some API pipelines and database management things. We can also build websites with Python. So Python websites will be secure websites by comparing with other websites. And we can also build web scraping tools with Python. And Python is mostly used for data science in these days. We can visualize the data, we can clean the data, and we can do many things with Python. So here you can see a few applications which were built on Python and using Python as a backend core. So for this instance, I can say Mozilla Firefox is most secured browser than Google Chrome, because Google Chrome is having more bugs. Even Google Chrome officially announced that, but Firefox is not having any bugs. So in the next lesson I'm going to start basics of Python, and then we can move forward. Please refer official documentation of Python and installation procedure. You can download Python 3.6 plus version in Python official website and install that, and then we can start writing our first Python code. So please subscribe and follow me. Thank you.